Now, good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, anytime you are listening to my voice. Now, this video is for you. If you are finding it difficult to log in on 1688, so I've decided to make this video in order to guide you further. Now, the first thing is to go to your Chrome. Okay, so this is our Chrome. So you type 1688.com, and you see that's the app, that's the website right here. So here they are asking us that do we want to continue with the app, right? But we are not continuing with the app. So we are using it on Chrome. And we see I have to cancel it. So this is the website. Can you see now? This is the website, right? Now this is what we want to do. We want to log in, right? So you click on this human head icon, this here. Can you see now? So that's the place whereby you log in. So let's wait. Yes. Now if you click on that human head icon, this is where it will bring you. Are you with me now? Now you type your number here. This is +86. You change it to a Nigerian number, to a Nigerian code, right? So we look for +234 here. That's the Nigerian country code. We have many countries here, but you look for Nigeria. So this Nigeria, you click on it, then you type your number. So let me use a friend's number here, because I already have a 1688 account, right? Okay, so let's continue now. Can you see now? So you click here, log in. So they are asking you to agree to the service terms and condition. So you click on agree. So now they are going to input you are going to input a code. They are going to send you a verification code, but before that, this is what you do. This something that they write here, this way that you are seeing, they ask you to carry out a particular instruction. Can you see? So firstly, you have to translate what is here so that you can know what you are going to drag here. Okay, maybe what they say is that you should drag this bar until a particular object appears, right? So in this video, I cannot use instant translate because I'm recording this video. If I'm to use iTranslate, this video is going to stop automatically. But that's not what I'm doing now. See, this is what I will do. I'm going to screenshot this and upload it to a Google Translate so that it can translate this particular information for us. Now see, let me screenshot this page. So I've screenshotted it now, right? So let me go to where I'm going to translate it. Now this app, you can use this app to translate. It's very fast. You can download it on Google. We call it Google Lens, right? Okay, so this is the picture we screenshotted. Now this translate. Can you see translate here? We click on translate. Now see what we are looking for. Can you see? What did you say? Drag the slide and release it after a complete crown appears. A complete crowns, right? We all know the meaning of crown. So let's drag it carefully. Crown. Oh no, this is not a crown. Yeah, this is a crown. Can you see now? So we are going to release it. Oh, it doesn't work. So we have to do it again. You have to be patient. That's one thing about all these websites. Now we give a try again, but this time it may not be a crown. They do change the object. Now let's screenshot again. Don't forget, it may not go the first time. I know many of us, after we try this first time, we want to give up. No, we keep trying it. Drag the slider and release it after a complete elephant appears. After a complete elephant appears. You all know the meaning of this is an elephant. Oh, this is not a complete elephant. Oh, I think we have to, there's no, since there's no other elephant, we have to release it. Can you see now? So it's not necessary that you complete, or so just release it once you see an elephant. Right? It's just like a test. They want to confirm that you are not a robot, that you are truly a human being. Do you understand? So we are waiting for the verification code to be sent. I'm waiting for the verification code to be sent. Okay, I've received it here on my second phone. So now the verification code 7660 7660. So many of you are saying you didn't receive the code. I don't know, maybe your phone is in DND. You can try speak to our MTN customer service. They should remove your phone. Maybe you have once applied DND on your phone. That's why it's not good. Now, this is it now. I've successfully logged in to this 1688 website. Can you see now? So this is my TB number. So this is a proof that I've logged in. If you click on this human head icon and you can't find this thing TB27, that it will start with TB. You can't find these particular numbers. I don't mean the same number with this one, but if you don't find something like this that starts with TB, it means you have not logged in. Can you see now? Now that I've successfully logged in, I can now do something else. I can choose products, you know. Oh, it has logged into my app without my permission. Okay, I think I have to end the video already, since I have already shown you how to uh log in by your Chrome. So this is where I'm going to stop the video. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to choose products, select products and everything else. Thank you.